Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on the Huobi or HTX wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the HTX or Huobi wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you might be asked to either use your biometrics if you have set it, or you will be asked to enter your credentials, including your email address and your password to log into your account. Now, once you have logged in, you will be taken to your home page, from which, if you wish to verify your account, you can tap on your account icon at the top left corner. Now, from your account icon, tap on your profile and you will find the Edit Profile button. Go ahead and tap on Edit Profile, and now you will find the option for identity verification. Go ahead and tap on ID verification and you will now be taken into the process of verifying your Huobi account. Now you will see the various process that you will need to follow to verify your ID. So go ahead and tap on the first step, and now you can tap on each option to fill your basic information. Simply select your nationality followed by your last name, your first name and your date of birth. Then tap on the submit button and wait for the verification process. Then within the second level, you can verify to gain access to more funds. So for the entire verification process, you will need to enter your various personal details and sensitive information. So make sure you enter all of your details correctly in order to be verified successfully. After you proceed with all levels of verification, you will no longer see an ID verification option within your profile, and you will be able to trade freely with the HTX or Huobi wallet application. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on verifying your Huobi account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.